What is up, investors? It's Jason here. In this channel, we talk about stocks and cryptocurrencies, and we're going to be focusing on talking about mostly Cardano in this video. This is a cryptocurrency that you guys know that I do like a lot, and what I want to do is I want to talk about what's going on with the whole crypto market at this moment, and really dive into what do I expect for Cardano in 2022. Now, I'm sorry that I haven't been keeping you guys too updated with videos over this last couple of weeks, really. I do have a new studio. I've mentioned that before in a video, and the build is almost completely done. So I do have a lot of things to start bringing you guys as my channel does continue to develop. A lot of big things actually going on in the background that I will update everybody on here in the future. Now, anyways, with what's going on over in the crypto market, we were looking at Bitcoin and we're seeing that, hey, maybe Bitcoin would bring out the end of 2021 with a lot of positivity, but then that ended up not being the case. We did see a bit of pullback happen, a little bit of a false breakout happening with Bitcoin at the end of 2021, and now we're seeing a bit of a drop after some recent consolidation with Bitcoin. And what that has done is led us to the Crypto Fear and Greed Index to have us sitting in extreme fear. And looking at the historical values here, last week and the last month, we've been sitting in extreme fear. But right now, we're at a very low point right now, and it's a much different situation than where we were at back in September, October, November, or well, half of November of 2021. So things have really changed quite a bit since then. Now, the price of Bitcoin obviously has a lot to do with the prices of all the altcoins, and that's why in this video, when we're talking about Cardano, it's very important to also think about what is happening with the price of Bitcoin. So anyways, let's go into a complete update of what I expect for Cardano in 2022, talk about things that are currently going on, and where do I see things going from here. So as we get to it, if you guys don't mind, please do me a huge favor. Please be sure to smash, destroy, annihilate, or gently press that like button. Helps me a lot with the YouTube algorithm, helps spread the videos so more people might find it interesting, and subscribe if you have not already. Now let's get to it. Now, to jump into a quick technical analysis of Cardano, what is going on at this moment is that in December, Cardano had dropped below that $1.50 support that was a very crucial support that Cardano needed to hold. Now, this 150 number is a very important one because since we had fallen below that, now we're in the struggle of trying to get back above that and find support back above 150. And this is a pretty serious price right here, because if we look at the past performance of Cardano, when it does pass that 150 price, if it is able to continue going from there, that's when we're most likely to see it have a good rally, which we had seen it do back in July, leading all the way up to its all-time high that it had hit above $3 in the beginning of September. But we had also seen it surpass that $1.50 price back in May, and we were able to see a quick little rally, but it wasn't able to hold that support at that $1.50 price, and it fell through. So this is a very crucial price that we need to get over, and currently we're struggling to try to get over 150. We're currently sitting around $1.30 or below, around there at this moment. Now, currently, we're seeing Cardano hold a support above 120, but it is very possible to drop below this, like we've seen in the past, and get to that $1 price, which we do know that $1 was a very strong support for Cardano in the past. So it was able to hold that for a while throughout 2021. So hopefully that doesn't happen. That's not the case. We're able to stay above 120 and then hopefully get above that 150 price and then hopefully see a rally. But there's a lot of great things to look forward to with Cardano. It's just a matter of time until we do see a difference in the price, in my personal opinion. Now, to get to some updates here, on New Year's Eve, Charles Hoskinson made a YouTube video talking about the past, present, and future of Cardano and the industry as a whole. One of the things that Hoskinson mentioned in the video is that 2022 will probably be one of the best years for the industry and for Cardano specifically. He also outlined that the market grew too quickly and that we're going to digest, as an industry, the consequences, for better or worse, of becoming so big so quickly. Now, in this article here by cryptoglobe.com, and they're talking about a report that was done by Sandeman that says that Cardano led developer activity in 2021. In its report, Sandman noted that developer activity has little to no impact on short-term market trends, but sees it as quite an underrated indicator of project success as it demonstrates the team's month-to-month commitment to creating a working product, polishing and upgrading its features, and staying true to its long-term roadmap. Now, I know a lot of people are wondering, with the large increase in development on applications built on Cardano, wouldn't that mean that the price of Cardano should be going up, especially since there are currently more wallets holding Cardano at this moment? There's over 2 million wallets that are holding ADA, and this is just showing how bullish people are with Cardano, but we're not really seeing that really reflect a lot within the price of it, because it looks like, just if you're looking at it, the price of Cardano has just been going down. Now, when we try to be more rational about it and thinking about the overall crypto market, well, I mean, just looking at what Bitcoin has done over these last, couple months here, at least last few months, really, where we were seeing a big increase in the price of Bitcoin in October, we did see a large decrease in the price of Bitcoin, basically since it hit a new all-time high early in November and dropped down. So we're seeing a big shift with that, and that's also doing a lot with the overall market, especially looking over at Ethereum, where we have been seeing the price of Ethereum on a decline. So all this really has a lot to do with what we're seeing with Cardano, because Cardano really does follow a lot, and a lot of the altcoins in general do follow a lot of what Bitcoin and Ethereum are doing. Now, in my opinion, as we are seeing a growing demand in applications and a growing number of wallets holding Cardano, I think the biggest driving force for Cardano in 2022 is going to be the education of it, and how proof of stake is different than what Bitcoin is. And when we compare energy consumptions with cryptocurrencies based off of just Bitcoin, and not looking at the entire crypto market and just judging pretty much what the prices of everything are doing based off of that, I think that that's going to be something that's going to really benefit Cardano when more and more people start learning about the speed of Cardano, or the energy use of Cardano, and all the other great things that are currently going on with all the developments with dApps and everything else that Cardano currently has in the works. I think that that's going to be a big driving force of 2022, especially with stable coins like JED, as we do see more and more of this stuff coming out, more uses in it. I think that Cardano could have a great 2022 and easily surpass the price that we had seen it go when it did hit its all-time high back in September. I personally would bullishly put the high that I could see Cardano going to in 2022 being upwards around $10. Now, nothing I said in this video is financial advice. This is for entertainment purposes only, so please do take that in consideration. Please do your own research, as there is a lot of volatility in cryptocurrencies. But anyways, I'd like to hear everybody's thoughts and opinions on what Cardano is doing, as well as the entire crypto market. So with that being said, please like, share, comment, subscribe. New videos coming out on my channel all the time. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you all in the next video coming very soon.